how to make French toast. I'm going to start with 2 eggs, cracking 2 eggs, whisking them together, and I'm going to add cinnamon in this. That's the recipe. You can make it however you want, but for this one, if you want it to be really good, really sweet, you need a little bit of salt. You're going to put some cinnamon, ground cinnamon. You're going to put some sugar and some vanilla extract. And you can prepare however you want to do, but try this recipe. You are going to always make this recipe. And you can have this French toast for breakfast, even dinner if you want to. But this is how it can be sweet and you're going to love it. You just want to do a little bit of dash, or if you want to measure it, it will be half teaspoon. Whisk it together. Make sure the cinnamon is all mixed in there, and then the vanilla extract. Just a little bit. If you're going to measure it again, it will be like half teaspoon, or if you want there to be darker the color, then you can put more. I didn't want it to be dark, so whisk it together. And for this one, I'm going to use bread for sandwich, and I'm not going to use all that. I'm going for this recipe, it's only gonna come out like 6 of them, just depending. If you want to do more, put more eggs. And on a pan that's warmed up, I'm going to put butter. You can put oil, but I'm going to put butter. It's better, more butter if you want to, but I just wanted to do less. So butter melted, and you can do like a tablespoon, a full tablespoon of butter. When it's all melted in it, then you're going to dip the bread into the mixture of egg and cinnamon and vanilla extract, and put it on a pan just for a couple minutes because it's going to get burned. But for this one, I usually just eyeball it and see how you want it dark. If you want it super dark or super well done, you can take it out your desire. On this pan, I could have put 4, but I wanted to just put 3 so I can be able to move them around, and it came out really, really, really good. So after you dip it, you put straight in the pan, and to just avoid from putting eggs everywhere, I put it closer to the pan, and I had to flip it around to see because I wanted to make it a little bit darker, so I flip it around a couple of times. You do not have to do that, so it's just depending on your taste. And there it was. It looks so good. So I continued to put, at this point you can put more butter, but I didn't want to put more butter, and I just did it like that. And after this recipe with this day, as you can see, the eggs were out, so I had to put more. I did a different one without the cinnamon and without the vanilla extra. It's still as good, but if you want some cinnamon French toast, this is how it's going to be. It's really tasty. Like I say, for breakfast or dinner or just a snack, it's a good way to do, and it's so easy. This is how it turns out. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.